everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Play Store simply not working. And this is somewhat easy to do. All you have to do is go up to the top, go to settings, scroll on down to apps. Locate apps under here so we can just find it. I already went by it. There it is. Now go on down to the Google Play Store. And we simply just need to uninstall the updates, and that's usually what fixes it. So we can go down, Google Play Store, Google Play, right about here, here it is, Google Play Store. Just go to the top right, go to uninstall updates, hit this. Now it's uninstalling the store. Next time you go to it, it will update. Then we can also go to storage if it's still not working. Going down to storage, you can just clear the cache, clear the data. Now go back to the store, open it up. Might ask you to log in or something like that, and you're going to be signed in with your account already. But just go ahead and do that, and that should fix it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.